My name is Jörg Wallner. I'm Director Innovation Management and Consulting at a German think tank that's called To Be Ahead. And in that function I have a lot of work to do with companies from different branches and different sizes, all struggling to get along with the results or the consequences of the digital revolution. Socio-demographics, values and digitization, this will be the determinant factors for that development. India, China, Russia and the so-called Next 11 all have quite young societies, growing markets, growing demand, and a growing middle class that's eager to fill the gap, to close the gap to the Western living standard. What is important for CEOs to have in mind is that a lot of people, 3 out of 4, rely on finding the right information to do their job nowadays. And this requires a considerable amount of time. But it's not the only problem. This leads to work problems. And work problems lead to performance problems. So it's a chain of problems that is caused by information problems. And if companies think about the digital workplace of the future, they should not only have the customer interface in their mind, but they should also strive to enhance this chain. They should also strive to enhance the engagement of their employers for what they are doing in the company. We'll have enhanced opportunities to get access to organizational knowledge. We'll probably see a situation where there are better ways for teams to structure themselves around problems, around business problems that their companies have. We'll have improved cross-organizational and open innovation methods so that all relevant stakeholders in the value chain can be incorporated. We'll have an integration of all communication channels, like in a multi- and omni-channel environment. And last but not least, we should have improved workplaces, physical workplaces. So we're not only talking about the digital workplace, but we should have in mind that the physical workplace should also be improved. Well, especially for highly skilled knowledge workers, technologies like augmented reality or virtual reality, virtual offices will gain importance in the coming years. And what will be improved is the man-to-machine interface. We're talking about gesture control, motion control, thought control, face recognition, emotion recognition. So we'll have improved opportunities to communicate with machines, and we'll have improved opportunities for machines to communicate between each other. So obviously I'm talking about the Internet of Things or the Internet of Everything, with predicted 20 billion devices that will be connecting our world in the coming years. Digitization covers all areas of our future life, and it's getting even faster, more mobile and more connected. This will considerably change customer experience, and it will considerably change customer expectations, be it in a B2B or in a B2C environment, how you communicate with your customers, how you offer your products and your services. To cope with that, you have to enhance, to increase your data access capabilities and your data analysis capabilities. You have to better engage with your customers and with your own employees. And you have to attract the right skilled professionals with sophisticated and well-designed physical workplaces in the future. Let's take a look at the future opportunities and take a glimpse at Future Technologies on November 12th in Barcelona with Konica Minolta and me, I'd like to invite you to that event. See you there.